Page 54, Where Have You Been, Little Lamb, by Bartók. Let's look it over. It's a page long, treble bass clef, one sharp in the key signature. This is in the key of G major. So do the scales in arpeggios for G major and E minor, because the E minor is one sharp. 4/4 time signature. Let's take it one hand at a time and make sure the rhythm and fingering and all is working. 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. That's about as complicated as it gets. Left hand, well, it's 2 is here. If this is awkward for you, the reason they're doing this is because in the third measure you got to go here. And this way you're in position for that. But it's awkward to do that. And get them down together. It's awkward. You can if you want to. Just go ahead and use 1-3 or 3-1 and 2-4. That's a little easier for you. Then in the third measure during the rest, you just come up 1. It's handy having the rest there, huh? Now in the fifth measure, you get treble clef. You're up here. Here. If you don't want to be up in here, you got to do that. 3-2, 4-1, 1. Or 3 on the last one. And then you're back here. Measure 9. And then there's bass clef on the second beat. 1 and 2. You're staying there. And then come down. Yeah, whatever. Put the hands together. See what it is. And I'll hesitate. That's okay. Go down to what, measure 9, where it's left hand by itself. Down to here. So that's switched on measure 12. Here. Now here. Rhythm is weird there in the last line. Measure 13, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. So it gets a little jumbled up in the last line, so careful on the last line. Did I mention the last line's a little tricky? So once I have the hands working together, I'll go back over it slowly and get rid of the hesitations, and then I add the articulation. This is rather connected. It's like every measure is almost another phrase here. Yeah, that put in the phrasing. You do get an accent there in the last line. You're connecting the starting measure 13. Accent there at not the left hand, just the right hand. Yeah, accent that one. Just a little louder, not a lot. Then the dynamics applied to the melody, in this case the right hand. Here. In measure 5, they're giving you a più mozo. I don't know if he means more softer or less softer. It's just più. Just keep it soft. And the measure 9, you're starting out soft, accent. Come up to about a moderately soft, moderately loud. Don't get loud. And when the right hand comes, the left hand's got to get in the background. So, then all of a sudden it's soft. So, and the last line you get a swell to come up a little bit. Yeah, whatever. Then speed, andante. I'm going way too fast. Andante, somewhere. 1, 2. You're kind of strolling along. You're not going anywhere, you're just taking a walk. No big deal. Yeah. it's important to get in where you can feel it. And right now I'm still struggling with the notes, so I'm not feeling it quite right. But get in where you can feel this, the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Feel the natural accents all the way through. And I don't know, there's no retard at the end. I kind of wonder if they could put one in. 1. It just seemed like if you felt a retard there, you could put it in. But I'm sure if the composer wanted a retard there, he would have put it in. So I don't know how much leeway I have. When Bartók lived back in the first part of the 1900s, it was very common style in piano playing and interpretation to take liberties. If you listen to recordings of Rachmaninoff playing pieces, other people's pieces, he takes such liberties in some cases you can't even tell what the piece is. It was like, wow, what are you thinking? So maybe Bartók thought, well, they're going to take liberties on this. If they want to slow down, they're going to slow down. So slow down. It's very effective. Experiment with slowing down a little, slowing down a lot, or not slowing down, or having a cup of coffee, I guess.